Robert, fix it. You have been challenged to build a gaming PC for $180. Can you do it?
I don't know.
Robert, you got this.
Okay, I'm in.
Show them what you can do.
Round one, fight!
Here's where we started. A few months ago, I started putting together Dell Optiplex upgrade videos, and I thought that I was pretty good at building PCs, but then I saw this.
So now I've got a bit of a treat for you today. Not only have we got a budget build, we've actually got a budget build off with my good friend and fellow small UK YouTuber, Pro Yam Yam PC. It's going to be a Top Gear style challenge with like a point scoring system to see who can get the best PC for the money, really. So I hope you guys enjoy. Sit back, relax, and let's roll the video.
So I have entered a budget PC build off with NZXT, where we have to build the best budget gaming rig possible for just a mere £150. I think this video will also be a very good concept to show you gamers which are on a very tight budget that you can in fact build a very decent gaming rig for just £150.
So I reached out to NZXT and asked him if I could enter, and he said sure. It's kind of an honorary entrance because the competition is basically over, but this was my setup at the time, and it's a good thing I didn't enter it because I would have been destroyed. So I went after I saw the results of their challenge and tried to create something else. So I scoured the internet, training, seeing what I could find. Could I come up with something custom? Something nice and pleasing to the eye for $180 or less. So I set on a quest to get another gaming PC using old parts. Basically put something together out of what somebody didn't want, and this is what we came up with. NZXT 510 case, water cooled, 3rd gen i5, and all it really needs is a little cleaning and a good graphics card. Look at that water cooler, very nice. So we ended up with a RX 590 Sapphire 8GB graphics card. I like the Corsair water cooler. You can change it, but look at, I mean, you have to admit, it looks really nice. Doesn't perform as well as the other two, but you gotta admit, it's kinda sexy. So I lost the challenge, of course, horribly, but I did score some style points, and we're gonna do this again.
We shall meet again.